Good morning. My name is Wenwen Zhang, and this is my teammate Andres Vargas. And our project is a web application. It is called Web Recording Machine because it's similar to the recording machine we used to have. Of course, it's much better than the old recording machine. And our application is based on Licode, which is an open source WebRTC communication platform. And I would like to give a user case about our application. Since A wants to talk with her friend B through a computer on which doesn't want to install any chatting software. So, and also they're both busy at the same time with something else like jobs, movies. So, what kind of application can satisfy their needs? And I think it should be a web recording machine. And here are a few steps about how to use my application. The first one is A should launch a room and send the linkage to B, so B can use the linkage, get connected to the room. And A and B can leave recording messages to each other or have a real-time conversation. And when they are not busy anymore, so they can hit the different buttons to play the recordings privately or publicly. Say if there's a third person like C wants to join them, so he can use this linkage to connect to the room. After connecting to the room, he can click the load recording buttons to load messages, which is recorded before he came into the room, so he will not miss anything interesting or important. And there are three main features about our application. The first one is it's easy to use because users can talk and record their messages without install anything else. They just need to have Google Chrome. And because Licode is a WebRTC technologies, it's 100% compatible with the latest stable Google Chrome. And the second one is it has no recording limitation. The recording limitation always only depends on the server's disk space rather than on other factors like Chrome. So you can increase the limitation by increasing the server's disk space. And the third one is it has two playing modes. You can play it personal or broadcast the message. Say if many members in the room haven't heard the message, you can broadcast it, play it publicly. And if you do not want to bother others, you can play it for yourself, just personal. You can play it privately. And now I'd like to display our application demos. Here you can see here. It's already. I can close it first. And now I start the application. Here. Allow this. So now you can see we have two lists, user list and a recording list. Now I can enter my name here, like A. Sorry, I need to start this again. It's something wrong here. If I start this application again, now I use this, allow this, and now we have two lists. Enter the name, like A. So we can see A is here, and here is A's voice. So he can start recording his message, like start. So we have recording message 1 and stop. There are two buttons. You can play it privately or broadcast the recording message or play it personally, like this. And if another person want to get into the room, he can use this linkage. Allow this, and then he is here. And now he needs to enter his name like B. Okay. And now you can see user list A, B is here. And since B just came in the room, there are message recorded before he came in, so he can load recordings like this, recording 1, and he can play it, broadcast the message like here. So here there is the recording, and this is 2. And now you can see here, it's also here. So when they try to stop broadcasting, he can play it privately, so only he can hear this. This is our application, and in the future we maybe will work on something not just recording your voice. I try to work on about something about your video, so it would have much more fun. So it's our whole project and our presentation. Thank you.